Hello everyone. In this video, we will install Oracle Linux 6.1. First, we will search for Oracle eDelivery. Make sign in to download the software. Then here, search for our software, release. We will download Oracle Linux 6.1 because this software or this operating system is compatible with our application version. Oracle Linux 6, then press search. Appeared here list of Oracle Linux versions with updates version. Okay, we will choose Oracle Linux 6 update 10. We'll find the component added here. Press continue. Platform and language. Choose X4-bit. Then press continue. Press the agreement here. Continue. We will need only this ISO file. So I'll check this one. With all unchecked, then check only this one, ISO file. Then press download. We will save download. Save. Okay, it's finished. Open folder. Press. It will open Oracle Download Manager. Press next. Our Linux software will be available here. Okay. By this way, we are started to download Oracle Linux operating system to create a virtual machine. After finishing download Oracle Linux, we will need to install Oracle Virtualbox. First of thing, go to Oracle VM Virtualbox to download the software. Press downloads. Then press Windows hosts. Save. After saving it, we will install Virtualbox. Double click on it and press next. Okay, repair. In my case, I will repair it because I installed it before. But if you are not installed it, so you will press next, and then to finalize your installation. Then open Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and press add. Sorry, press new to add new VirtualBox. Name Oracle Hyperion. I will change the machine folder that the VM will be created on. Okay, memory size. I will set 8000. Then press create. This is the path of the VMware. Okay, file size, I will make it around 100 gigabyte. Dynamic key allocated. Okay, I then press create. So VMware created here, but without any operating system. Let's make some configuration for VMware. Press setting, advanced, we'll make it by action. Okay, system processor, we'll make 4. Okay, display, we'll increase it. Remote display, recording, okay, story. Firstly, in the story, we'll press here, add optical drive, this one, choose disk file, or choose or create a virtual base disk, or choose a disk file, or ISO file. Okay, network will make it at a bridge, then press OK and start our virtual machine. Press start here. Then choose install system with basic video driver to start installation. We can make skip for this step. Press next, choose the language English, next, US English, okay, basic storage device or specified storage device, we choose basic storage device. Choose keep any data, okay, back, try it again, next, discard any data, that's okay. Host name of your machine will be Hyperion. Press next, next again. Password of root user, we will set it welcome one. We can use tab to change the pointer. Next, use anyway. Press next. Try to change to disk. We chose already software development workstation. Then press next. Okay, to install our package. The last step again, we choose development workstation. Okay, then press next to start our illustration. Package completed here. Okay, then press reboot to start up our operating system. Press forward. Press forward. Okay, enter your Oracle account and your password or any password and any CSI, just welcome one, then forward, press yes. Okay, we pressed forward, then would you like to go back and try again? Press no, then forward. We will create Oracle user next video. Okay, so forward again. Okay, forward, then press finish. Operating system started now. Other, press enter, username, root, password, welcome, one. Close. So currently operating system is started successfully. Check the network configuration, press here. Currently is connected. Okay, connection information. This is my configuration. Okay. Currently we finished this video of installation Oracle Linux 6.1. See you in next video.